Today's mission-driven mindset moment comes from the book of Sam, chapter 3, page 58. And here we talk about sharing and shelving of the mission statement. It is no surprise that when I work with leaders to plan professional development experiences, they often want to jump into, in their words, get to the nuts and bolts of it. They want to kind of dive into the work. And it's no wonder that there's so many schools engaging in the PLC process and not getting the results that are commensurate with their effort. And so much of it is because of this phenomena. Instead of engaging in the very complex, powerful, and compelling work of mission, we instead engage in creating a mission statement, which we end up going through a lot of these steps, creating a new mission statement, central office, putting it on the front of the school, t-shirting it, making all sorts of school spirit materials. But it never does. It never gets to do what Rick DeFore told us it must do. If your mission statement doesn't change the work we do in both instruction and leadership, it's not worth the paper it's written on. We've engaged in this process for so long. That's why it gets discounted so badly. But I'm here to tell you this. When the why of the work, and that's what mission is about your shared purpose, the why of the work, when the why of the work is not present in the work, on your best day, you can hope for compliance. You'll get compliance, and on your worst day, resentment. And the bottom line is you get schools that are engaged in this work and not getting the results commensurate with their efforts. And so we need much more mission than statement. And right now we have much more statement than mission.